What's up, crypto crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Might, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Stick around.
Crypto crew, it's been about 2 weeks since the successful launch of KRC20 on mainnet. Now, for its projects to be successful, centralized exchange listings are crucial. In this vid, we'll specifically address KRC20 meme tokens, because if you've invested in KRC20 projects, you want to see the price of your coin pump. Most people who get in on KRC20 coins, but really this goes for crypto in general, are always a couple of steps behind. See, if you invested in Nacho, for example, you've either minted Nacho tokens or bought them from a third-party wallet like the Casper bot on Telegram. Most people aren't willing to go that far, thus leave a lot of potential upside on the table, meaning most people simply want the comfort of an exchange. That's why exchanges are crucial, because it increases the accessibility of these KRC20 tokens. The more casual investors or normies adopt the token, the higher the price becomes. So if you're trading and investing in the KRC20 ecosystem, and it's not just for a very short-term buy here to sell fast, I would suggest you keep an eye on centralized exchange listings and roadmap to centralized exchange listings from these KRC20 projects, as they are the most important thing to watch out for.
Give me a second, I'll switch it up.
Now, obviously, not every token that gets listed on a centralized exchange will be successful. That said, KRC20 tokens that don't list on a centralized exchange will not be successful. The more centralized exchanges a token has, the easier it is for people to buy the token. And then what that does potentially, hopefully in the long run, will allow for larger, maybe even tier 1 centralized exchanges to adopt that project and allow it to pump the price even higher. Now let's take a look at some of the KRC20 tokens and their development in incoming exchange listings. SUMPs. Now, although there's a lot of hype behind the best known KRC20 meme coins, out of all the hundreds of deployed KRC20 tokens, the first one to be listed on a centralized exchange is a fairly unknown one, and it's SUMPs, which got listed on LBank, a tier 4 exchange. And due to its extremely low trading fee, LBank is a favorable exchange to even buy Kaspa.
No dough, no show.
So SUMPs is a project that brings awareness to the smallest Kaspa unit. SUMPs is short for SUMPy, the smallest unit of Kaspa. Each Kaspa is divisible into a 100 million SUMPy. One SUMPy is equal to 0.7 zeros, 1 Kaspa. Now let's make this more tangible. Although 100 pennies is $1, it is simply easier to say $1. That principle applies to Kaspa as well. Even though 100 million zombies make up 1 Kaspa, it's just easier to say 1 Kaspa. So then why would we care about the term zombie? Well, if you were to look at Kaspa's block DAG or its code, they are using zombies because it's more accurate. And we as humans interpret it as Kaspas, but the whole system is using many zombies so that they can just be more precise and accurate. Also, SUMPs is a play on words, a token of appreciation, pun intended, towards Kaspa's founder Jonathan Sampolinski, one of the main people behind Ethereum and Bitcoin's consensus and scalability. Jonathan Sampolinski is also the man who invented the Ghost protocol. At the making of this recording, SUMPs has over 3,000 followers on X and 2,000 followers on the official SUMPs Telegram. Now, the SUMPs team has laid out their roadmap, and as of this recording, we're in phase 3. They've signed a contract with their highly sought after listing, that being LBank. They've done an exchange airdrop, which is a normal part of marketing, and the exchange themselves require them to have such amount of USDT and tokens for them to match. Not only is this a bit out of left field, as SUMPs is unknown to many investors, even Kaspa investors, and not many content creators that I know of have mentioned SUMPs as one of their KRC20 picks, but also it requires quite some capital to get a crypto coin on a centralized exchange. Since the SUMPs team have secured an LBank listing, that is an accomplishment. Also, SUMPs roadmap includes a listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. I don't believe they're there yet, but hopefully they will soon. Phase 4 moves the SUMPS team to be doing more mining rewards, mining pool partnerships, some game and marketing, physical coins, community events, and hopefully more centralized exchanges. Sumpy has a total of 28.7 trillion tokens, matching Kaspa's 28.7 billion Kaspa coins. And since one Kaspa equals 100 million Sumps or Sumpies, this supply of Sumps has to be much more greater than the supply of Kaspa.
What other cryptocurrency should you buy? What's the next Bitcoin? Well,
Casper the Ghost of Kaspa is widely considered the number 2 pick out of all KRC20 tokens. Team Casper has been working hard behind the scenes and just secured their first centralized exchange listing, that being xt.com. This is an exchange I've personally been using recently to acquire more Kaspa, as Kaspa can be bought for an extremely low trading fee. So if you buy Kaspa on xt.com, I believe your fee will be around 0.1%. I have a referral link in the description box below that gives you and me low trading fees for life. Now, not only does this exchange have the lowest trading fees, xt.com is non-KYC, so you can get your USDT or USDC elsewhere and buy Kaspa here. Or during the bull run, you can swap your Kaspa to USDT or USDC for lower trading fees and ramp up your profits on an exchange that is connected to your bank, such as KuCoin. Back to Casper the Ghost of Kaspa and the team which put this on their Discord recently. We are beyond excited to announce that Casper has partnered with xt.com as our first exchange. And then you can see the Casper stats, the launch type, and the fact that Casper the Ghost of Kaspa had no pre-mining and is community driven. Looking at the Casper roadmap, as you can see, we're currently about to get to stage number 2. As Casper the Ghost has secured their exchange listing, Casper will continue to develop the Casper wallet, aka Casper Ghost Wallet, and reveal its first NFT collection. Then Casper may find some momentum as the bullish month of October, aka Pumptober, is just days away at the making of this recording. And Q4, which historically has been bullish for crypto, includes a couple of holidays, including Halloween, which in combination with the exchange listings may give Casper the Ghost some new sets of eyes. Hopefully there will be more and higher tier exchange listings on top of this xt.com exchange, which is a tier 4 exchange.
Pump it up.
The top 20 token, or at least considered to be number 1, is Nacho the Cat. As you may know by now, Crypto Crew, Nacho is fairly launched and community driven. The fact Team Nacho has raised 80k USD under 10 days, surpassing the 60k goal, is proof of the power of Nacho's community. The Nacho team shared this on one of their social media platforms. Quote, "Thanks to your incredible support, we surpassed our 60k goal with over 80k raised in under 10 days. This concludes our CEX listing funding campaign, but if you would like to keep supporting Nacho the Cat, you can. All donations and Casper bot royalties will now be forwarded to the Nacho Community Fund to fuel our roadmap." Exciting updates coming soon on where to trade and store Nacho. Stay tuned, end quote. So we don't know which exchange listing Nacho has landed, but more on that in a video soon. The visuals of Nacho are astonishing, and so in my opinion, not only does Nacho prove to have a strong community, the community has some dedicated and talented people behind the project.
There is love in this project, and it's love for my cat, which I love so much, so it resonates with me. So it's the only meme coin I follow. I'm not affiliated, I'm not gonna invest in it. I'm gonna get some, of course, like for my virtual vanity plate, but I love the homage, I appreciate it. It makes me and Noah so happy.
Finally, Crypto Crew, another amazing announcement. The KRC20 tokens will be added on Tangem, as the Tangem team have confirmed KRC20 coins, not disclose which ones exactly, but they are in Tangem's pipeline. I personally believe you should keep custody over your investments as much as possible, crypto crew. Make it a habit to think and act like an investor. Once you've invested in a project such as Kaspa, protecting your assets is an absolute top priority. I suggest you get your hands on a Tangem wallet, as it is the most user-friendly cold wallet that supports and allows you to have full custody over your Kaspa away from the exchanges online. And Tangem has a proven track record of security. If you want 10% off of your Tangem wallet, check out the link in the description box below. I do get a kickback from that, meaning you would support my channel. So thank you so much for your consideration and support in advance.
Crypto life.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say I.